ये कौन सा मैं एक ऐसे इंसान को नहीं जानता हूँ जो एक रॉक स्टार या एक म्यूजिशियन का रोल ना प्ले करना चाहे। आई मीन जितने भी लोग हैं, अगर कुछ भी हो जाए, अगर आप एक कॉन्सर्ट में भी जाते हो आपको लगता है काश मैं उस स्टेज पे होता, तो ऐसे काफ़ी कॉन्सर्ट्स मैंने देखे हैं जहाँ मैं सोचता था कि काश मैं वो होता स्टेज पे। लेकिन अभी क्योंकि शंकर एहसान और फरहान ने इतना अच्छा म्यूज़िक दिया है और मुझे सिर्फ गिटार पकड़ना है तो मैं स्टेज पर हूँ। Hi, Farhan's like a brother to me. We've really grown through Dawn. Our friendship through this film became much deeper. It is Farhan's launch film, and he's a very hard-working and an extremely talented man. And I really hope that this movie, the effort he's put in, the energy he's put in, I know will not go unrecognized. And I wish him all the best. And I want to really, one second, this lady who's standing next to me, okay, her name is Shahana. And I really want to say one thing, that she is truly, this is for me? Oh, okay. Okay, that she is truly a very talented actress, okay? And she has really surprised all of us. I think after Smita Patil, if there's somebody who I saw as an actress with such a powerful personality on screen and with such great timing and so natural, I think it's been Shahana, and you guys should look out for her because she's done a wonderful job in Rockstar.
My character Debbie is the only female character who kind of is there in the past with the band, and then is there in the past with the band and then moves on to being his wife. So she shares a bond with the band, with the boys, and she's an aspiring designer, so she has a lot of involvement with them, and she's been very closely associated with the band, and their energy and their lives and their dreams are very much a part of her dreams and her life. And how that changes जब वो 10 साल बाद जब वो एक बीवी का किरदार करती है, तो उसमें किस तरह का बदलाव आ जाता है, उनकी रिलेशनशिप में किस तरह का बदलाव आ जाता है, और उसके एटीट्यूड में टुवर्ड्स द बैंड किस तरह का बदलाव आ जाता है, वो दैट्स एन इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट।
मैं बहुत इंजॉय करता हूँ म्यूज़िक को, और स्पेशली रॉक म्यूज़िक को, और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि रॉक म्यूज़िक वर्ल्ड वाइड इज़ कमिंग बैक, क्योंकि बहुत हो गया दैट we've been hearing a lot of synthetic music, very artificial sounds, and it's a different feel when you hear a guitar or you hear the drums or you hear a good bass guitar or you hear good lyrics. So I've always been a fan of the Doors, Pink Floyd, Led Zeppelin, Guns N' Roses, and we've grown up hearing these guys, and so it was great to be a part of this. I think youngsters today are enjoying rock music as well, and they can always be remixed if somebody doesn't want them, so they'll have that choice as well. देखिए, मैं सोचता था कि मैं सबसे एक्सपीरियंस्ड एक्टर हूँ इस सेट पे, तो इन सबको बहुत सारा एडवाइस दूंगा, लेकिन इन लोगों ने मुझे बहुत कुछ सिखाया। फरहान इज़ अ वेरी controlled actor, he's a very thinking actor, and he's got a great presence on screen. He's got a very nice intensity, which is very good to watch on screen. Even I was a bit nervous initially, how is Farhan going to do this? Because it's different being behind the camera and seeing somebody and saying, do this and don't do that. But when you have to do it yourself, it's a totally different art. And yes, this is Farhan's first film, but I think he definitely has an opportunity to go a very long way if he wants to continue to do this. देखिए, I mean, ऑडियंस के सामने पहली बार जाना ही एक बहुत बड़ी बात होती है, बहुत हिम्मत चाहिए एक इंसान को to go and face an audience and especially do it live, क्योंकि फिल्म्स में एटलीस्ट आपको रीटेक्स मिलते हैं, जब आप लाइव शो करते हैं तो उसमें कोई रीटेक्स नहीं होते। तो आई थिंक फरहान इज़ a mad Parsi that he went up there on stage and he sang in front of everybody, and I think his Parsi side of his family was there, but I think he did a fabulous job and he put in everything he had into that, and I think he can just get better, and he really loves to do it, and that's what's important. And when you love to do something, you should do it. I think those friends are very important in life. I've had the opportunity of making wonderful friends. So on Friendship Day, to all my dear friends, I thank you for being my friend, and I hope we can get old together. देखिए, I mean it's always a sad day, the bomb blast for us, क्योंकि I think it really shook Mumbai, but I think Mumbai people are strong enough to come out from it and be strong and united, and we should never succumb to terrorism. वो करते रहेंगे, बेवकूफ़ हैं जो भी करते रहते हैं ये सब चीज़ें, लेकिन we should not succumb to it. हमें अपना normal life जीना चाहिए और सर उठा के जीना चाहिए.